Availability in your tachograph. When and how to use it. As a truck driver, you must know when and how to use your availability in your tachograph. Availability is different from resting period, or it is different from break. Availability means as a driver, you are available for work, but currently you are not driving, neither are you doing any work, and neither are you at break too. In other simple definition of availability, it means as a driver, you are not actively driving or you are not doing any manual work, but you are required to remain with the vehicle or be ready to resume driving upon request. In a simple terms, you are like a reserve soldier. You are currently not fighting in a war, but you are required to be prepared in case a war breaks out and you are called to give your life. This is a typical example of when you have to switch your availability symbol in your tachograph. 1. When your vehicle or your truck is queuing at a loading bay or you are waiting for your turn to load or unload, and in this situation you are told how long the delay will be in advance. In this situation, you have to put your tachograph in a availability mode. Example number 2. If you are team driving with another driver for a long journey and you are sitting beside that driver while that driver is driving and you are sitting down, you have to switch the availability mode. Example number 3. Maybe you are traveling from France to UK and your car or your truck has to board a ferry or train. In this situation, while you are on the ferry or in the train, you have to switch your availability mode. Difference between availability and break. For the availability aspect, you are effectively on standby. You do not have to be physically working, but you are expected to be ready to resume driving or do other work. For the aspect of break, your time is entirely your own. You are not required to remain with the vehicle or be available for work. This time is for relaxation, for eating, for sleeping, or for your own enjoyment. Mind you, availability is not counted as a break or rest period, but it is also not considered active work. Please note, as a truck driver, you have to be very careful. Whenever you switch your availability mode for more than 45 minutes, your tachograph screen is going to tell you that you have already gone for your break, but that is not the truth. It is a lie. If you have not already gone for your break, you have to switch to the break mode. The two are different together. Otherwise, at the end of the month, it is going to record that you have infringed the law and maybe you are going to be punished. Not maybe, you are definitely going to be punished for that if you meet a police. Thank you for watching Safo Bafos TV. Bye-bye.